Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this sunny blue sky with cumulus clouds in it. I'm using £140 Bockingford paper that I've stretched and I've stuck down onto the board to stop it buckling a lot. I'm using a number 16 round brush and the main colour I'm using for this is going to be ultramarine blue. Mixing up a nice big pool of the colour so I don't run out as I make a wash across the paper. The wash quite watery but keep a lot of pigment in it. My board is slightly tilted so it runs down, and the trick to this is to keep your brush moving and don't stop, and load it with enough water so you don't have to keep going back so much, even though I did here to start with. But if you keep going backwards and forwards, load your brush with as much water as it would take. Here I'm just adding a bit more water to add a graduation so it looks like it starts from the dark to the light. Try and do this as quick as possible and don't go back into it, otherwise you will ruin the nice flat wash that we've made. I'm going to make the fluffy cumulus clouds, and for this I'm just using a piece of tissue and I'm just blotting out. The clouds are much whiter and brighter at the top and darker at the bottom, so try and blot out more from the top and leave the bottom. Keep it really simple and try not to go too overboard with the blotting, and you'll have a lovely sunny sky with some lovely fluffy clouds in it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you made a really beautiful sky, you can add a poppy landscape to it. Watch out for my next video on how to paint this. Bye!